Welcome into the fascinating world of cosmic energy. Have you ever felt tired, unmotivated, or even lost? What if I tell you that the key to unlocking your true potential lies in understanding the energy that flows through us all? In this video, we will explore what cosmic energy is, how it affects our lives, and the role our thoughts and emotions play in this process. Together, we will learn how to clear energy blockages, enhance our well being, and align with our true nature. Let's embark on this enlightening journey to understand how cosmic energy shapes our health, relationships, careers, and finances. Cosmic energy is the invisible life force that is all around us and inside us. It's like the power that keeps everything in the universe alive and working, including humans, animals, and nature. Think of cosmic energy as the fuel that powers not only our bodies but also our minds and emotions. It helps us stay healthy, feel balanced, and connect to the universe. We can receive this energy naturally from the environment and through practices like meditation, deep breathing, and spiritual activities, which increase its flow. Cosmic energy comes from the universe itself, which includes the sun, stars, moon, planets, and everything in nature. It is present in sunlight, air, and even in the ground we walk on. Cosmic energy is like an endless supply of power, and it's available to us all the time. This energy flows naturally into our bodies and keeps us alive and healthy. But it also connects us to the universe on a deeper level. It's the same energy that governs the movement of the planets and the cycles of nature, like the seasons and the tides. We naturally absorb cosmic energy from the environment, but we can also increase the amount we receive by practicing certain activities like breathing. When we breathe deeply, especially in fresh air, we take in more cosmic energy. That's why being in nature often makes us feel refreshed and alive. Meditation. During meditation, the mind becomes calm and we are more open to receiving cosmic energy. It's like opening a window to let fresh air into a stuffy room. Next is spiritual practices. Praying, chanting, or doing any spiritual activity allows us to connect with the universe and receive more energy. Sleeping, while we sleep, our body naturally absorbs cosmic energy to heal, refresh, and prepare for the next day. Inside our bodies, we have 72,000 nadis. Nadis are like invisible energy channels or wires that let cosmic energy flow through our body. Just like blood flows through our veins, cosmic energy flows through these nadis. They carry the energy to every part of our body, making sure we stay healthy, think clearly, and feel good. There are three main nadis. Ida Nadi, this channel is on the left side of the body and is connected to cool, calm, and peaceful energy like the moon. Pingla Nadi, this channel is on the right side of the body and brings active, warm, and powerful energy like the sun. Sushmana Nadi, this is the central channel running from the base of the spine to the top of the head. It helps us grow spiritually and is the main path for spiritual awakening. If the energy in these nadis is flowing smoothly, we feel great physically, emotionally, and mentally. However, if these channels are blocked due to stress, negative thinking, or emotional pain, we may face health problems, feel mentally or emotionally unwell, or have difficulties in our relationships, career, or finances. Our body also has chakras, which are energy centers. Chakras are like spinning wheels or batteries that hold and distribute cosmic energy to different parts of the body. There are 7 main chakras, and each one is located along the spine. Each chakra has a specific role, and when they are balanced, they keep the energy flowing smoothly, making sure we are physically, mentally, and emotionally healthy. The 7 chakras are root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. When all these chakras are open and balanced, cosmic energy flows freely and we feel happy, healthy, and in harmony. If any chakra is blocked, it can cause issues in specific areas of life, such as health problems, emotional struggles, or challenges in relationships or work. Our body is not just physical. We have energy body also. This energy body is like an invisible layer around us that connects us to the universe. Cosmic energy flows into our energy body through the chakras and nadis. It enters through the crown chakra, travel down through the chakras, and move through the nadis, reaching every part of the body. The energy body controls how we feel physically, emotionally, and mentally. It's responsible for everything from our health to our emotions and even our relationships, finances, and career. When cosmic energy flows smoothly, we feel good in every area of life. But when something blocks the energy, it can lead to problems like stress, negative thoughts, unhealthy habits. They block energy flow, leading to physical sickness, emotional pain, and challenges in life. Energy blockages happen when the flow of energy in our body is disrupted. And these blockages often come from our own thoughts and emotions. These disruptions can lead to problems in different areas of our life, such as health, relationship, career, and finances. So let's learn how it works. First is stress and trauma. When we go through stressful or traumatic events, like losing someone we love, facing rejection, or dealing with failures, these experiences leave emotional wounds in our energy body. These wounds block the natural flow of energy, affecting our physical and mental health. The emotional pain we hold on to creates these blockages, leading to anxiety, depression, and even physical illnesses. Next is negative thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts and emotions play a big role in our energy flow. Negative emotions like fear, anger, jealousy, or guilt create blockages in our energy body. These thoughts are like walls that stop the cosmic energy from flowing freely, causing us to feel stuck, unmotivated, or overwhelmed. When we focus on negative thinking, we block the energy, and this eventually affects every part of our life. Next is unhealthy habits. Not taking care of ourselves physically, like eating unhealthy food, avoiding exercise, or not getting enough sleep, weakens our energy body. When our energy body is weak, it cannot process cosmic energy properly, which makes us feel tired, sick, and mentally drained. Next is spiritual disconnection. When we ignore our spiritual side, when we don't meditate, reflect, or connect with the universe, we disconnect from the cosmic energy that keeps us balanced. This spiritual disconnection can make us feel lost, unhappy, and disconnected from our true purpose in life. Our energy body becomes blocked, which leads to struggles in various areas of life. Now, how energy blockages cause problems? So, in health problems, energy blockages in the body often lead to physical health issues. For example, a blocked root chakra can cause leg pain, lower back issues, or digestive problems. A blocked throat chakra might lead to issues like sore throat, thyroid problems, or trouble speaking up for yourself. Relationship issues, if your heart chakra is blocked due to pain, due to past emotional pain, it becomes hard to open up to others. You might find it difficult to trust or show love, which can create problems in forming or maintaining relationships. Career struggles, a blockage in the solar plexus chakra can make you feel powerless or lack self confidence. You may struggle to take action, make decisions, or feel successful in your career. Financial problems. When the root chakra is blocked, you may feel fearful or insecure, leading to financial difficulties. A lack of grounding makes it harder to manage finances or seize into opportunities for wealth. See, our thoughts and emotions are the root cause of these blockages. When we hold on to negative feelings, whether from past experiences or current worries, we create barriers in our energy flow. These blockages prevent cosmic energy from maybe moving through us smoothly, which in turn causes problems in different areas of life. The soul's true nature is purity, happiness, and love. At our core, we are beings of pure energy, and our soul naturally aligns with positive, pure thoughts and emotions. When we follow the nature of our soul, living in harmony, kindness, and joy, the energy flows freely. We feel vibrant, connected, and at peace. When we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our soul's natural state of purity and happiness, energy flows smoothly through our body. This free flow of energy helps us stay healthy, maintain positive relationships, succeed in our career, and experience financial abundance. So it's important to understand that we are responsible for the blockages in our energy body. The negative thoughts we choose to focus on and the emotions we hold on to are the main causes of energy disruptions. But the good news is, because we are responsible, we also have the power to fix it. When we take care of our body, think positively, connect with our soul's true nature of purity and happiness, start healing ourselves, we clear the blockages and allow energy to flow freely. This opens the door to better health, happier relationships, more career success, and financial prosperity. The energy blockages can be healed and we can restore balance in our lives. The few of the methods are meditation, breathing exercises, energy healings like Reiki, positive thinking and affirmations, in which it includes mind power. So, thank you for joining us on this exploration of cosmic energy. Remember, the thoughts and emotions we hold are powerful. They shape our reality and influence the energy we attract. By embracing positivity and connecting with our soul's true nature, we can remove blockages and allow the flow of cosmic energy to enrich our lives. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on holistic living and self discovery. Together, let's continue to heal, grow, and succeed on our journey through life. Stay connected, stay vibrant, and until next time, take care. Thank you.